There's a lot of maths people that really aren't going to like this. I know everyone says that 0.999 recurring equals 1, but they are wrong. Now it's not because I don't get the maths, it's because the maths cheats. It's the way they tell you that they'll show you some trick that 1/3 equals 0.3333 recurring. Multiply it by 3, boom, 0.999 recurring. So that's 3/3, so that's 1. End of story? No, that is not proof, that is a shortcut. Now the real argument is that 0.999 recurring, that's an infinite process. It never gets to 1. It just approaches it forever. You're adding 9s forever. That's not a number, that's a limit. A process, a journey, not a destination. So, in Magic the Gathering, you have a stack, and then this is the perfect metaphor, because the spells in Magic the Gathering go on the stack. So you're casting, adding another 9. Now your opponent will ask, does that resolve? And you'll say no, because my spell is just infinitely adding 9s forever. It never resolves. The maths would pretend that 0.99999 recurring is resolved because it's convenient, but convenience doesn't mean it's complete. Now, in formal maths, that's what they say, that's the limit. They say it's close enough, let's call it 1. But that's just calling the race early. It's still spinning. There's still an infinite distance being closed that will never close. It will never become 1. The real issue is we're confusing process with outcome. We're mixing two different philosophies. One says infinity is never done. The other says, well, it's close enough, we're done. But you can't build forever when you pretend that you're finished. It doesn't work like that. 0.999 recurring is still running. It's still casting on the stack. It's still resolving. And until it resolves, it's never going to be number 1.